Good evening, everybody. I am Sandil Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Arts College, Salem 7. We can go the topic organic reaction mechanisms. Generally, organic reactions are more types. Simply, first type is substitution reactions. That is many types. That is a nucleophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction, simply called as SN1, SN2, SE1, SN2, like this. There is one group is replaced by another group in a compound is called as substitution reactions. Another type is known as elimination reactions. One compound eliminate one organic compound eliminate a group from its structure and retaining its stability. It is called as elimination reactions. Next type is rearrangement reactions. That is rearrangement reactions. In an organic molecule, in an organic compound, one group is present in one place originally. It replaces another side of the organic compound. It is called as rearrangement reactions. In this type of rearrangement, one type is called as Cope rearrangement reactions. In this Cope rearrangement reactions, the alkyl group attaching position is changed by replacing the pi bonding electron present in a diene molecule. First only, this is one of the organic compounds known as 1,5-diene. This is first carbon, second carbon, third, 4, 5, 6. There is no bond between this 1 and 6th carbon. CH2, CH, 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 CH2. So this CH2 molecule does not connect with one another. This first carbon and second carbon, the double bond is present in first carbon and second carbon. So it is, and another double bond is present in fifth carbon and sixth carbon. So 1, 5. Starting position is 1. Number is first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth. So it is called as 1,5-diene. Di means 2 double bond is present. Diene. So it is one of the acyclic compound of organic compound. Acyclic structure of organic compound, 1,5-diene. In this diene, the an alkyl group attached at the third position of this carbon atom. Third carbon atom. The alkyl group attached at a third carbon atom. When we heat the 1,5-diene molecule, diene compound at high temperature, the thermodynamically more stable regioisomer is formed. That is hydroxy substitution. In this structure, the third carbon having sp3 hybridized carbon. One, two, three. So sp3 hybridized carbon is present in this original organic compound. When we heat this organic compound, it is changed this type of it gives this type of product, that is thermally stable product. It is thermally unstable product. When we heat, it is changed. The alkyl group replaces its position. That is, it is first carbon. That is, in this original organic compound, the alkyl group attached at a third carbon, but in this product, the alkyl group attached at a first carbon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth carbon. So the product attached at first carbon at the hybridization of sp hybridization. Yeah, the S character of the hybridized molecule is increases. That molecule is one of the highly stable molecule. It fundamentals of the stability of organic compound. In the first structure, first we can saw the mechanism, and then after we can go the stability explanation. In the first compound, that is original organic compound, the pi bond is present in first and second carbon. This pi bond is shifted to this position from second carbon to third carbon. At the same time, this fourth, fifth, and sixth, in between the sixth, fifth, and sixth carbon double bond is shifted to this side. At the same time, this single bond present in between C3 and C4 carbon is break. This single bond is shifted to this side, this double bond is shifted to this side, this 1 2 double bond is shifted to this side. So the structure must be changed like this. The alkyl group does not replace a position, but the carbon number of carbon, that is alternate carbon in this position, third carbon is changed as first carbon. So carbon number is changed. So the alkyl group place is also changed. So in this position third place, in this position first place. This is called as rearrangement reaction. In original organic compound it having third place, but in this product it attained the first carbon. That type of reaction is rearrangement reaction. Why this rearrangement is reaction is occurred? Because of attaining stability. Oh, now we can saw the stability of the molecule. In the first structure, the alkyl group, the third carbon having sp3 structure, sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sorry, sp2 hybridization, 1 2 3. Okay, sp2 hybridization. In this sp2 hybridization, domination is p orbital, p orbitals. So one s orbital and two p orbitals. So domination in p orbitals. S character is very less. There is a sp2 60% of p character and 40% of s character, like this. In the product, this carbon, that's the first carbon having sp hybridization. In this sp hybridization, the s character is 50%. The total hybridized orbital, p orbital, one p orbital and one s orbital. So s character is very high, that is 50%. In the reaction molecule, 40%. Hybridized s character percentage is 40. In this product, s character percentage is 50. So when we increase the s character in the hybridization, it will used for its stability. So the Cope rearrangement reaction is possible for attaining stability. Example for this, uh, 3-hydroxy 1,5-diene. It is thermally unstable. When we increase the temperature, it is changed as 1-hydroxy 1,5-diene as a final product. And also this hydroxy 1,5-diene having keto-enol structure. In this structure, enol structure, this structure is known as keto structure. So this enol to ketone changing is known as Ketoenol tautomerism. If any structure having ketoenol tautomerism, it must be stable. So it is very useful for any organic compound attaining stability. Thank you.